Hello again, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a Filipino chicken adobo. Well, adobo is a pretty famous dish in the Philippines. I lived there for about a year, and Filipino food very delicious, and adobo is one of them on top of the list. And today I'm going to try to make the chicken adobo. What I have here, chicken drumstick. I have about 4 pounds of chicken drumstick right here, 10 of this chicken drumstick. And the main ingredient for the chicken adobo, basically just the soy sauce and the vinegar. This product right here, cane vinegar, is made in the Philippines. If you can't find the cane vinegar, you can always use the regular white vinegar. So to do the chicken adobo, basically you have to marinate the chicken first. So you just marinate it with soy sauce and vinegar and some other ingredient that we're gonna talk later. And so for the chicken drumstick right here, you want to leave all the the skin and everything out. Don't remove the fat, just leave everything. And normally you don't have to do this, but I'm gonna cut some slits in the chicken drumstick right here, so that when I marinate the chicken drumstick, I want all that soy sauce and vinegar, all the ingredient kind of absorb into the meat a little bit better. So I'm gonna just cut some slit. Just cut a few of them on each side right here. So maybe. All right, so to marinate this chicken, what I need here is so I use a regular soy sauce right here, half a cup of regular soy sauce. So about half a cup of soy sauce, just a regular soy sauce right here. And so about half a cup of this cane vinegar. Cane vinegar. I'm gonna add some to add some sweetness right here. This is black soy sauce. Though two tablespoons of this black soy sauce. Okay, the next ingredient is brown sugars. So add about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I got about 1 tablespoon of peppercorn. So basically you just need to crush it a little bit. You just want to right here use this way you bring more aromatic to the adobo. So crush it a little bit like that. Just crush it. Okay, toss it in there. So if you have time, basically if you have time, you can marinate this overnight in the fridge. But if you don't have time, a couple hours would do. Cover it up and just put it in the fridge for a couple hours. All right, while the chicken marinate in the fridge for almost 2 hours now, let's cook out the ingredient first. Okay, I'm using canola oil. Canola oil, just a little bit, a teaspoon of that. Okay, I got an onion right here. You don't have to. This is it's up to you. If you don't want to put onion in your adobo, it's optional. But I like the sweet flavor of the onion. So this is how you cut it right here into the strip right there, and then I'm just saute the onion until it's like golden brown. Alright, I like to reduce the heat a little bit to medium. I don't want to burn the onion. Remember, I just want to saute it until it turns brown a little bit. Okay, now in the meantime, while the onion is cooking, I have 5 cloves of garlic right here, 5 cloves. So all I want to do is just, I want to crush it. I don't want to do anything, I just crush it like that, okay? All right, put it in the pan. All right, let's remove the onion and the garlic. Okay, now turn the heat back to high and then put some more oil in there. Canola oil. Okay, the chicken been marinated in the fridge about 2 hours now. I should absorb all the ingredients in there. All right. So just see in the pan for 2 minutes on each side. Look at the marinade is really all the juice get into the. So try to shake off all the marinade before you put in the pan. You just want to see the caramelize on each side about 2 minutes. That's about it. Let me see. All right, now turn it to the other side. Now at this point, now you can add all the marinade. You can add in the marinade now. So this marinade, just add it back in. Add back the onion and the garlic. Right there. And the last ingredient go in there, fire bay leaves. Go in here. So bring it to a boil. Put the lid on and reduce the heat to medium. And just cook it for, let it cook about 20 minutes or so, and then flip to the other side, and then do another 20 more minutes, and it should be done. All right, after about 20 minutes, just open the lid and then flip it to the other side. Look at it, it's already turning The color's already, the chicken already turning brown already. Just flip it to the other side and then just cook for another 20 minutes at medium heat. That's basically all you're doing. Just reduce. You're reducing the water in there, the marinade. It's gonna be delicious. Alright, let's put the lid back on and medium heat again for another 20 minutes or so. Alright, at this point I'm gonna put some black pepper, ground up black pepper. A little bit of that. Chicken doing good. Put the cover back on again. The liquid is almost evaporating. That's what you want. Want the liquid to reduce about a little bit more. So we still have about 15 minutes to go. All right, I believe it's done. Okay, look at this. Look at the sauce. Look at this. Yep, it's done. And you can eat this chicken adobo with rice. You just so let's plate this up. You can put some sauce on the top there. Look at that. Look at the sauce. Really thick. So this is the final product, chicken adobo. So as you can see, it's a turned out to be really nice. Now I have my taster here, like Brian. Brian gonna give us opinion, see how my adobo turned out.
Is it cooked?
Yeah, it's cooked, well cooked.
Okay.
How is it?
Oh my god. You know what this tastes like?
What?
Sweet and sour chicken.
No, here.
No, I can't eat with you. No, that makes
Just bite a little. No.
What does it taste like?
This tastes like when you cook with like the cactus.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. It tastes like the
Linda,
cactus.
come over here and give me your opinion.
I feel like Linda would enjoy this.
Come on.
This tastes like you know that makes like the cactus or whatever. Or no, mom.
Yeah.
The cactus.
So how did I do?
It's good. It's very nice.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
So would you recommend this recipe?
Sure. Probably.
Yeah, that's very nice, eh?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this adobo recipe a try. It's pretty famous recipe in the Philippines. They eat this all the time. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.